What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome back to our print profit series with myself, Fred Lam, and Michael Shih, who has done over 7 figures last year selling print-on-demand items. Now, by now, if you still don't know what print-on-demand is, make sure you watch the first video of my print profit series with Michael, and you will know the entire spill and everything about print-on-demand. Now, before we dive into today's episode, please, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment below, give me a thumbs up so that we can continue to inspire individuals like you to start building your very own business through Shopify and really put your path into the entrepreneurship path. Alright, now in today's episode, we are going to cover products. Alright, so now in our previous segment, we talked about design, we talked about finding designers, and now we have the design, we got to move into step 2, which is products. So in front of us, there are several examples of products that you can actually sell. And obviously, these are at different price point and all those other stuff. So let's talk about the easiest part first. T-shirt. Right? Besides, these are kind of like apparels, right? Like this T-shirt over here. What else can you sell besides this? Because we're talking about just, these are like 2D prints.
Right. So besides T-shirts, we can also do leggings or these samples right here, from jewelries to bags, even sneakers or boots. So there's a ton of different products you can actually sell nowadays. And if you get right design, right product, you can actually get into the market first and sell a lot of them.
So pretty much, if I already have a design that's working well on a T-shirt, I can basically sell hoodies.
Yeah, you can expand to hoodies or
sweaters, jackets.
Yeah.
Okay, and then bags, jewelry.
Yeah, even jewelries.
Shoes, pillow cover. That's a whole lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And obviously, you just need to find one design that works. Yeah. And you can really take off your business from there. And that's actually the interesting part about print on demand. That's what I love about it. It's really going into the market with that one product, but giving you the ability to diversify all these. Now, here's my question to you now. If I were to actually get started, what is the product that I should try? There's so many products now. There's bags, shoes, pillow cover, there are jewelry, T-shirt, hoodies. For me, or for a lot of people, you guys have shiny object syndrome, and you guys want to actually have all these in your store, but I don't think that we suggest that, right? We should start with one?
Definitely start with one and go from there. And there's actually no right answer to this, because you can start with any product line and test it that way, because all these products I have personally tested and they work and they convert. So it all comes down to your design and your market and who you're targeting. So, jewelry is a good step to get into, just because it's very unique, and especially these are from Shine-On, and the quality is really nice, and they're pretty easy to sell if you're in the right market.
Awesome. Let's take a look at that. So this is like a Pandora-like bracelet,
charm
bracelet, right? And holy crap, if you guys don't know, Pandora is worth like $1 billion. Like in the B's. And a lot of people love these charm bracelet. And you'll be surprised. How much can you sell this for?
So you can sell anywhere from $24 to $34.
Yeah.
But the perceived value of this, actually, I was with the owner of Shine-On, Eric. He actually asked a stewardess how much to buy this for. Yeah. And they didn't want to name the name. They thought it was Pandora. And they said, yeah, I'll probably pay $90 for this.
Oh, wow.
It was all cotton tape, and it's amazing because the quality is really good. Yeah. And, when you receive it as a present, this is amazing.
How much what's your cost?
Oh, the cost of this, I can't remember right now. I think it's around $10 or $12. Sometimes Eric have promotions. Yeah. And when you can sell it at $34 to $49 or $44, that's a lot of margin you can play around with.
Oh, wow. So this thing, obviously, you design. I would say design whatever is on here on the charm. Yeah. And this entire thing, let's say it costs you even $15. Right. You can sell it for $35. So basically, your cost of goods is less than 40%, which is going to be a lot of margin. Here's the beauty, I think. Obviously, from my perspective, looking at that, you can really upsell the heck out of this by selling more charms.
That's correct. So if you have a proper funnel in place, you can upsell different designs or just buy 2 and get a better price. But you have to know how to set that up. But yeah, you can. There's a lot of flexibility to play around with the different upsells just with this one product.
Yeah, and that really helps a lot because obviously in the dropshipping world, one person may come and buy that one product, but you would still need a lot of work to get the person to continue to buy in your store. Especially if you have a general store, that's going to be even harder. Even a niche store, you got to actually have things that supplement. But this is like a no-brainer upsell.
Yeah.
If you sell more charms, like this one is just say, grandma and her wings were ready, but my heart was not. And you can actually sell more grandma
in the
charms.
Yes. Correct.
Or maybe a grandma and daughter or like granddaughter charm that goes hand in hand with it. And that just instantly increase your average order value, which is phenomenal. That is amazing. So, again, that's just one product over here. And you can actually use the same design, let's say, on a t-shirt, a hoodie. So let's say this t-shirt over here, okay? It's easier for you guys to understand. This t-shirt, how much does it cost you?
The cost of this t-shirt is $6. Depending on supplier again, but this is
$6 for this t-shirt.
Yeah.
And the t-shirt nowadays, if you go to a retail store, it would cost you at least, $15 to $20?
Yeah.
And it costs you $6 to create your own, and you don't even have to invest a single penny in inventory. This is some serious stuff, guys. And again, we talked about the design side. Now we're talking about more about the product. These are all the products that you can sell, and these are just like a small snippets of products right out of the gate. And obviously, yes, I do understand is that if there is too many product selection, you don't know where to start. And Michael just gave you guys a suggestion, maybe start with this. Because this is a beauty. Like, I would have to say, I think a lot of females would absolutely love this bracelet. Because jewelry market is massive.
Correct.
Especially on Facebook, especially on Google Shopping. People just love to buy bracelets. And also Amazon, too.
Oh, yeah. Etsy, Amazon.
Etsy, Amazon.
And then you can see this over here. It's a matching necklace with the charm. So it's another upsell.
So basically, you don't even have to just sell a charm. You can take the exact same freaking design that you pay for and start selling a necklace too. So chances are, and I'm pretty sure, leave the comment below and let me know if you agree with this right now. If your customer comes and buy this charm, chances are they're going to buy that necklace too. Yeah. And the conversion rate, I bet, is going to be super massive. So instantly, you're increasing your average order value. Again, you're selling things out of thin air because you don't really have these in stock. You don't have to pay for them until someone actually gives you money.
Yeah.
And you pay first before you get paid first before you actually pay the supplier, and really going from there. Yeah. This is a brilliant model. And at the end of the day, here's why I love about print on demand is because there's no competition. Because if you have a design made, if you're starting to sell, let's say if you're starting to sell the necklace or starting to sell the charm really well, and correct me if I'm wrong, I would assume, based on my business knowledge, is that if I start to sell this thing like crazy, and if suddenly someone try to steal this and start to sell it in their store, I can legally sue them. Because I own the design. Right? And that's the beauty. That means that you're cutting off competition. And obviously, if you are knowing your audience a lot more, if you know your market well enough, and you're creative with the designer, you can actually outbeat even a person that really builds a print-on-demand store having like really shitty designs. And really go from there. So that's the beauty. You're not going to actually experience the same competition that you are experiencing through dropshipping. And you're really creating your own brand. You're creating simply your own products. And from one design, you can basically go from, let's say in this, let's say if you start selling this well, I would assume that you can sell a necklace. You can sell it, you can put it on a handbag. You can put it on a t-shirt. You can potentially put it on a sneaker or a boot in this case. You can put it on a hoodie. Wow, it's just multiplying from there. So in theory, okay, correct me if I'm wrong, and I know you may have already done this. Let's say that if I actually have a design selling really well, and let's say that I'm making $500 a day with this. Okay, so technically, if I worked out the math right, I'm not going to 100% double my business if I have a jewelry. I'm just going to be upfront and honest with you guys. That's never going to be the case. If people are telling you that, oh yeah, by adding that upsell, you will double your business, that is not the case, okay? Theoretically, number is going to be around a 30% boost for actually having additional products, especially if you have it in a sales funnel, or as high as 50%.
Yeah.
In this easy math, we'll talk about 30%. So with the diverse product lines right now in the print-on-demand industry and the technologies that's out there right now, let's say that if I have one design that's working, okay, and it is producing $500 a day, and I can technically, all right, double my business by simply applying this to 3 other products. I can triple my business by applying to 6 different products. I can quadruple by basically having 9 different products. And I would believe in the products spectrum in print on demand, there's what I would say over like 30 products or even more, because there's what mouse pads, there are mugs, there's actually a lot of stuff.
Yeah, even phone cases. So there's a huge selection that you can do. And just a golden nugget, what if you have a lead magnet? What if you have a lead magnet like what you taught before with the tripwire? If you have people come in with a tote bag, and then they come to a collection page that have your shoes, your sneaker, and your t-shirt all with the same design. So the average of people adding more products to cart is actually higher too, because they already came in with that design in mind, and they see, oh, you have a sneaker, you have leggings, I'm going to add that as well.
So, wow, that is actually, sky's the limit, pretty much. You're pretty much building your own simple little empire of accessories, apparel, and most importantly, building a brand and statement. Because people are now literally a walking advertisement for your business, right? People are going to comment about it. People are going to basically say, oh, I love this bracelet. Where are you going to go? Oh, I just went to this website to buy it. It's actually going to be much bigger in terms of viral marketing in that point of view, and like word of mouth marketing. So I know that you have a boot camp, right? And in the boot camp, I believe you were talking more about how to actually build a jewelry business with print on demand, right? Can you talk a little bit more about that?
So basically the boot camp is in 10 segments, and I go through how to find your design, and I go through how to pick your product, and in this case it's jewelries, and we'll talk about traffic in this 10-part series. So by the end of the 10-part series, you'll have your store up and ready. And you can start getting your first sale.
Awesome. So guys, again, link is actually right below in the video description. Click on it. It is absolutely free. Okay, no strings attached. 100% free. Simply just put in your email address and you can actually get started. Even if you don't have any knowledge, even if you don't have any experience, even if you have a tiny budget, you can now start building your very own print-on-demand business using a free training. That's all laid up for you. It's all over the shoulder, I believe. You go through the 3 steps. You go through creating your own store. Everything is all in there, right?
Yeah, everything from creating a store to having the right mindset to build a successful 6-figure business. It's all in there.
Awesome. So seriously, scroll down below, click on it, and also, on top of that, special announcement to make. We're hosting a workshop where you're sharing the entire process and even your $1 million funnel case study, right?
Correct. It will be a live workshop and a lot of details, and it's going to be a great presentation.
It's pretty much like a shortcut of the 10 videos. So seriously, guys, when you are signing up for the bootcamp, there is going to be a registration page for our next workshop with Michael and I. Seriously, go sign up. Okay, be there live. Don't be those people that just secure their seat and not go there hoping that there's a replay, because I cannot promise you that. But make sure you do whatever you can to clear your calendar, to be there live. I want to see your name, I want to see your face, and most importantly, I want you to show me that you're serious on hustling for your business and you are serious on building your very own business to achieve either financial freedom, freedom of time, and freedom of location. Do it right now. All right? And if you guys love this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also in the video description below, there's also Michael's YouTube channel. Make sure you also subscribe to his YouTube channel because I'm twisting his arm. He's local with me, so I can actually tell him, he's like, come to my studio now, start recording more videos. So do that. He will make sure that there's going to be a lot of amazing content for every single one of you. And for those of you that have not followed me on social media, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and as you all know, subscribe to my freaking YouTube channel, okay? Drop a like below, leave me a comment, and I'll definitely see you guys in our next segment, which we're going to talk about step 3, traffic. All right? So I'll see you guys then. Again, drop me a comment right below. Thank you, Michael.
Thank you again.
We'll see you guys soon.